right, so this is the culprit. What's up, fellas? Well, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm working on Fred, right? And I thought I had water in the engine, water in the gas, water in the carburetor. Turns out this right here. All right, you see that right there? This is called the link assembly. All right, and that's the spark adjustment. So it will basically, when you have that pushed all the way forward or backwards, you know, you can adjust it for how much spark you get. So it's pretty important, right? And as you can see right here, this thread is broken. Something happened here with this, and this goes in, okay? And it has to be at a certain distance, and it basically pushes this rod. Watch it move. You see that rod moving now? See? And the threads hold it. The threads hold it in place. All right, so we just take these needle noses, right? And remove this pin right here. Okay? This pin is holding in the timing adjustment linkage assembly. We're gonna take that bad boy down. Got her. Woo! All right, so in order to get this off, I had to take apart some of these bolts here in order to pull this whole thing apart and pull this assembly off. You know, a lot more work than I thought. Boat with an old motor, you better learn how to work on it, boy, because it's expensive. So there's the spring. All right, there's the spring. This is a $250 part, so we're gonna JB Weld this. This was a lot of work, man. I gotta remember where all this stuff goes, but we're gonna get her done. Hold on, I'm here with Captain Scott. We're documenting this. All right, Captain, tell us what we did here.
So you see what we did here is we got some brittle plastic that broke, and we're fixing it. We're packing it full of some epoxy.
It's called what again?
JB Kwik.
Bam.
JB Weld. We put it in the hole, we put it around the hole, then we put the tape around the hole, then we packed it full of some more JB Weld, and we're gonna let this dry. We're gonna peel off the tape. We're gonna re-drill a hole and re-tap the hole. So it's already solid after 60 seconds. Peeling off the tape of our new mold, and there you have it.
There it is, nice and rebuilt with the JB Weld. All right, guys, I'm here. I'm back at the engine. Got back from Captain Scott's. We're looking at like a 5-hour job here. So with the part, $250 for the assembly. You know, I got to put this back together now, and really came out awesome. Showed you guys inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing put back together. All right, guys. So when you're putting this link back together, see that? You got to stick this thing through first, all right, before you get that bad boy in there. And that's it. Yeah, that bad boy's in there. Locked tight. JB Weld worked perfect. God, saved myself hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Yes, indeed. Came out phenomenal. So, took the whole thing apart, put it all back together. Everything's looking good. I got a good hold there on my spark. Yeah, that's the link system for the spark adjustment. Pretty important. So hopefully this bad boy runs. Let's check her out. All right, guys. I got the engine cap back on, nice and locked up. And let's hit the moment of truth. All right, let's see about this now. I might not be a mechanic after all. in business. That bad boy's idling good. Thank you very much. We are really ready, ladies and gentlemen.